What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And today we're bringing thrifting to the table. So it is 2024, and I have some goals. And one of my goals is I want to create a workout room, but I want to go to the thrift store and find as much workout equipment as I can so that I can get my workout goals going for 2024. So I want to take you guys with me so we can see what kind of cool stuff we can find. And we're going to come back and we'll do a thrift haul of all the things I found at the thrift store. But also I want to create style boxes and sell items on Etsy, some of the thrifted items I'm finding. I have so many items that I thrifted that are like really cool pieces, designer pieces, and I don't have enough closet space for this stuff. So I would love to curate some collections and sell them to you guys. So I have a lot of pieces that I've thrifted already, and I want to go and find some more pieces, particularly like some handbags. I've been working on a handbag collection, like an upcycle collection that I want to put on sale and show you guys. But I really love thrifting, and that's going to be a big part of my content for 2024. Along with thrift flips, I'm going to do some thrifting and create some style boxes and resell items on Etsy and also on my personal site. So I will be linking those things below. But first, let's get into this cute outfit that is going to totally inspire me to start working out this 2024 season. And let me show you what it looks like, and let me show you how you can get one just like it. Guys, check out these leggings. They are so cute. They are by Fanka. This is from the Curve and Lift collection. This collection actually provides 3D printed lines and patterns that provide firm support to essential muscle groups like your legs, knees, hips, and your tummy. The technology in these pants really stabilizes these areas, especially for your tummy, which means you can wear these daily for both support and workouts. Guys, I put these to the test, and high compression lines really help reduce my fatigue and enhance my overall performance. I was able to really hold my form when doing different exercises. I've been seeing this brand Fanka on social media a lot. I guess many influencers are showing these pants because they are so colorful and cute. I just love how the lines move. Like, can't you see yourself in spin class or hip hop workout class? All eyes will be on you. These pants are not see-through, so don't worry about that. And look how it's supporting my knees. I love that while I'm doing squats and other exercises, the pants do not slip off. That muscle support really stays. Now let's get into the top. So this is the Lift and Curve Bra Tank. This bra tank really gives your breast the support and lift that it needs when you're working out. The compression lines give more support to your upper tummy and your back. The top just molds to your body and really helps everything stay in place. I really love and enjoy working out in this top. So what do you guys think? Isn't this outfit so cute? I mean, wouldn't this motivate you to go work out? I love the black top and the black pants with the beautiful lines of color, but they definitely have more fun colors to choose, and you can use my code to get 15% off. So to get moving with Fanka, all you have to do is log on to fanka.com, look through their beautiful, colorful collection, and pick more than one. You want to be motivated to get in that gym and work out. So grab all your favorite colors, select your size, and then use my code CH15 and you'll get 15% off. Guys, we're at the Goodwill outlet, so we're gonna go in here and pick some, hopefully I can find some handbags. I want to show you guys what I look for when I find the vintage handbags. So I really look for bags that are really clean. The structure is very structured. The structure is very sturdy and intact, and the clasp in the handle and everything is functional and works. So I look for bags that are in really good condition because I'm going to applique the outside. So the bags just may need a facelift, some extra detailing to bring it into current fashions. So I got my mask, because I always wear a mask inside the Goodwill outlet because there's tons of people that are really right on top of each other searching through items. So I'm going to put a mask on. I normally wear gloves, but I forgot my gloves. But I do have some hand sanitizer that I can use as I'm shopping. So come with me, and I'm just gonna put this to music because it's very loud in there, and I have to kind of like sneak and use my phone, and I don't want people to, I don't want to draw attention to myself. So I'm just gonna peruse through. So let's go to the Goodwill outlet. And we're also looking for things for my workout room, any type of equipment or anything that I can use to really help build out my workout room or help me with my workout routine. So hopefully I can find some good stuff as well as other items. So let's get started. guys, we are back. Let me show you all the cool stuff that I found in the Goodwill bin. So first of all, let's start with this yoga mat. I found a really nice yoga mat. It's in good condition. All I have to do is just kind of wipe it down, disinfect it a bit. And I found a really good yoga mat. And next up, we have brand new in the box, which is what I love shopping around this time, because people just kind of give up on their workout goals. And I'm like, well, I'm coming into mine and I am going to get some of this stuff. So this is a exercise, like a stable ball. And I checked, everything is in the box. This is like basically brand new. It's got the pump, it's got everything in it. So I am ready to work out and add this to my workout room. Show you what else I got. Then also I found this. This is, my muscles start to get a little achy. We're going to, we'll have something to keep my, so this is a soothing aromatherapy neck and shoulder wrap. So when I start working out, that I will be able to soothe my muscles so I can feel good. I've got some boxing gloves, some little tap out gloves. I do have a punching bag my dad gave to me, so it gives me some boxing gloves to kind of get started. I'm not sure if these are the right ones, but they were at the thrift store. I'll make them work. And then I found a stepper. This is like the exercise. I used to do this back in the 80s, and but they still sell these. So this is a stepper. It didn't come with the little pieces that you put on the bottom, but I can just put this on the floor and create some fun stepping exercises. So workout room is coming around. So let me show you guys what it's looking like. And let me show you the treadmill that I got and that bike. Oh, totally missed out on that bike. I wish I had gotten there a little earlier. I could have had that bike. Guys, that bike was $80 and it sells for like $1,000. I was like, oh God, I missed out on that bike, but it's okay. I did get a treadmill. It's a manual treadmill. It was brand new. All the pieces were in the box. I put everything together. It works just fine. And I'm going to start putting the rest of my stuff together in my workout room, and I'm going to be ready for 2024 workout season. So let me show you guys the workout space that I'm working with. Okay guys, so this is my workout room. Let me turn this around so you guys can see the So this is the treadmill. So it has a digital monitor, so you can tell your speed, the time, how many calories you've burned, your distance, and it also has like the little handles. I can't believe all the pieces were there. I'm so happy that it was. I mean, the box had I guess been open, but I hadn't taken anything out of it, so all the pieces were in there. You can see I've already been on it. It's a little dirty. I've been testing it out, but it works just fine. You just get on it, and I've got on my house shoes, but they have traction on them. So you just get on it and you just manually ride it. But it is perfect. You put your feet off to the sides like regular treadmill, but it's just a manual treadmill. Nice. It fits the space perfectly. I do have a bike here that I thrifted a while back, but I wanted something a little less vintage. It's cute. It's gold. It really is cute. I thrifted this over a year ago, and it's just been sitting here, and it does work. It's just that I wanted something a little more modern, a little more cute, and that bike that I thought would have been perfect, but oh well, it's all good. So this is pretty much just space. I do have a workout, what do you call it? I do have like a workout bench. You can do Roman chairs and exercises and sit-ups on that one. I did buy that new a while ago. So this is the walls. I'm going to put mirrors all back here, right there. I want to paint like a chalkboard wall right here on this side. There's a closet I can store some of my items, another closet to store some more of my workout stuff or whatever I want to store. And then this section is where I have my mirrors. I bought mirrors from IKEA that I'm going to hang right here. That will be right in front of the treadmill, the workout bench, and the bike. And then any other equipment I'm going to put over in this section right here. But so I have a pretty decent space for a one-person workout room. And so that's pretty much what I'm working with. And that is one of my 2024 goals, is to really build me a nice workout room and to start working out on a regular basis. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back and talk about my goals for this channel and what to come. And I will see you guys in another video. Happy New Year. Bye.
You said that you needed me.